Ọlịma Igbo anyị ekele na ebe ọ bụla nọ na-ekiri Igbo anyị na-ekele ya ọbụla ọ bụ Kpakpando ka ị na-ekiri onye na-ekirikwa ugbu a bụ ọ bụ ya chọpụtara otu ndị ntorobịa kpọrọ Igbo Youth Movement ọ nọ n'otu dị iche iche ka ọ ga-esitere ndị Igbo mma bụ ihe na-echi ya ụla. Ana m ekwu maka Evangelist Elliot Ugochukwu Uko. Nna biko kenere anyị ndị Igbo. Nke mbụ anyị chọrọ ịmata ịfụna ka o si adị ndị ndọrọndọrọ ọchịchị Naịjirịa dị iche iche ahọpụtara na onye ha ga-ewepụta ga-achị Naịjirịa n'afọ 2019 na ya 2019 election. Mana tupu ebido ihe a ewe oge ọ dara ọkachasị oge Nnamdị nọ ya na ọ bụrụ na a restructure Naịjirịa ndị Yoruba sokwu ya imirikiti na-ekwu ya na ha agaghị esome election. Iso na ndị ndu kedu ebumnuche ọkachasị ndị Igbo Youth Movement nakwa ndị elders Igbo leaders of thought nke iso n'ime ya?
Ndị Hausa eziokwu ka Igbo na enwe mgbasị na ọ bụrụ na edozuru obodo a before now ha na-atụ election early next year 2019. Ndị Afenifere ekwulie, so many other groups ekwulie. Enwero otu nsonye ya na-enye interest na partisan politics. But Igbo Youth Movement came from through the grace of God, and Igbo leaders of thought came with Deputy Secretary through the grace of God, and the Eastern Constitutive Assembly came with Secretary. And one group niile anyị na-afụ na-etinye anyị na APC, PDP asịrọ, Accord Party APGA asịrọ, anyị nwere interest in partisan politics. Ebe anyị na-eme bụ ịtọ ntọala eji dozie obodo ka ọ dịla enye elu mma dịla ibie mma. Ụwa niile ma moto bụ Egbebelu Ugobelu nke onye asị na nwanne ya ebele zikọ nwanne gị ebe ọ ga-ebe nku akwa na onye ọbụla Egbebelu Ugobelu onye nke si ibi ebele ya zikọ nwanne ya ebe ọ ga-ebe nku akwa na onye ọbụla. Equity, justice, level playing field for all. Like I know of you. If I never get in a wonderful one, and then is the farmer, which is the honor. Mana, I didn't give it to a get your pressure. Can't do your Master of Fun, Master of Federal.
Makara afere na onye chibulu Nigeria ya bụ Olusegun Obasanjo ha jere mee nzukọ ha wee pụta si na ugbu a na ha ga-akwado riri na ha chọrọ ịkwado na ha ga-akwado onye ga-edozi Nigeria maka na onye nọ n'ọchịchị si na enwe ihe gbasara ya na restructuring.
Well, I don't speak for Afenifere, but Nigeria ha ije ihe tọrọ atọ n'ime ya ọkọtụtọ ka ịtọrọ n'ime Nigeria. Affairs in Nigeria can affect you. If I never refer to that, I affect. Nigeria will affect us. Therefore, I need to say, Umuakaba in a way, Navayato. Omolo Nava, as in the farmato, Bodobania, Fatro. When I judge it, I mean, Mano Umuakaba, Bundia, POB. Chukumet Vanobi, Famabele. See, okay, the Faga to say, or say, the Faga boycott to say, Vato Navasi, Nayada boycott to say. There, Imana, I just get that, I got free at food, all the more way now. Manoena, but then I work on all the Zubodo. Moniano, I'm not going to use a proper Zubodo.
Yeah, but
yes, Mana, I will be having day when I'm old. Pinch of Makani Mamma Mother to power. One day of Funda. When you give me a bit no more. If I want to give until the power as governor or president, it will be if you say no, if you say, if you say, if you say, before Barana power, they say, because a friend of those. So I like a before again, but I look at on the bag. On the bag, I can't so the masses of the bag would talk once a bag everywhere. Our political leaders, call it colonel, although I'm not talking about Fanchana, I am because you are one. But before, Father Gecko.
Oh, we open a Hana, you're Magana man looking down there.
Oh, my dear brother, I must go out. Take my.
I think it's cool. Have a quite with the quick car.
That's okay. Roll. Therefore, even as an drive the bag, God, you put to Nigeria is in the guitar. The one I got to Nigeria without the bag. Buhari got to Nigeria also. On the bag here, Mumwaka boycott the election. Buhari actually got one. When it goes over to Gabanya, goes to the Mumwaka like it is in Nigeria. I will not have a young Nigeria. No one give a one at all on the bag here. By Wakabani, yes, I have a boycott. So all Wakabani, Nigeria, IPOB, you put the catch. If that goes away, the leaders of the body may say, Fair leaders of the body disappointed on your opponent. Leaders say, I need will be disappointment. And I will put it on one over. I will me. Now, I want you. Bundida na Igbo si Niaga go waka move anyone put. Why? The leadership the body have carried themselves in such a manner for much too long, lose your respect to Waka.
Nke kachasị nke ha na ndị ọhaneze ejioda ha sizi ugbu a ma na ọhaneze agaghị na-ekwuchitazi ha. Mgbe na-ajụzi dịka ị na-ekpe udo na-emetụ obi ebe ka ị ga-esi mee ka ndị IPOB na ọhaneze na ndị Igbo ndị ọzọ dozie. The truth of the matter is but that the Igbo leaders were disappointment. Disappointment came up. Ndị na-achị ndị Igbo eri agha biri bụ so wafa kafa. Enwere Marshall Plan bụ ndị Igbo, internal Marshall Plan Igbo leadership set we na-enwe nzukọ regularly. Government change kwa the meeting continue. Ndị ofe mmanụ nwee, ndị Yoruba nwee, ndị Ugwu nwee. Enwere team na ndị Igbo na-build group interest. Enwere Ilu Yoruba ha nwee. Any company ga-apụta Nigeria, ndị Yoruba ahọrọ ya. Maybe it's not Yoruba, Bunaya Abara Estate. It's a lot of factory there. I believe. Also, I never go ndị Torobia dịka ndị Oduduwa, OPC. Ha kpọkwa ha eso na-echekwa
ndị leaders are actually into no form what you want to. Why? Never happened them even though you want to comfort zone. You senator or the president or House of First Member or governor or minister or special assistant or you don't government or chairman and I call the lady. You can't see because the first act of the lady, you have to go to the system for Budo Bonako, you have to go to favorable regard for the frustrations of the masses. More than you have to go to 4 years ago. I'm going to whole Biafran groups in there, all of them. There to Igbo leaders. Your husband was there. Say I'm going to do Igbo leaders. Igbo, I'm going to do Igbo Biafra. Some good on the one. It's everything. You do the function in there. Function in them, I must know. Function in them. Yeah. That's what they're there. 4.5 years ago. When they share the meeting, Abobidi, Ozubo, who are found there near the go, prophecy, naturally, is the leadership of Mwaka, I believe with all the Igbo leaders know about trying my window halfway. Able to never go to one Zodiac Hotel 4.5 years ago. Even when I'm a window, and we're popular also factory in the
Makiha metal.
In my powerful that I never spokesman I play. Where you were. So my was never for my boss. The leaders was. I am for my name. What will be a Friday night? Functioning in about 17 Biafra group. I tell you, leaders never my was there no matter to I would not begin your child. Oh, my kind of imagination. If I also would not be very raw child, I want to collaborate recently informant in a new now which a deep secret. If I already do for a word, everyone to get now, war retired NSO, security officer, that would go through Mango and be in an area to for the morning. Say, I was working. Look, one guy, he's a guy, to a guy that the public or see the guy. He will lie, he's begging, he will edge this, will edge that. Or dirty conscience. No, also. Now, nothing. I be there with that. Gina, I want to family and I'm my leader will deem to go and get on the wood. And this way was in the last 15 years of his life. Never tell you about it. On I got every time. Somebody I know, he meant daily 2 and 3 Mudiaka. Or similar Igbo. Ye could be. Oh, Mossi, ye we went. Yana Babelek Yarapin now. I follow me. The actually Igbo, so I say I'm actually Igbo and peace, Chaybonaya. You have government all this time, John. Father, be doing a blood of the Biafra. The Amandi will no more can waiting. Yet, could you the Bonatu? The Bonabu, or you want to get good years in Uno. Or your papa, you have one day, you can even and get you for him to take it back. Okay, Junior, the Bonatu no more can be for the second Nigeria, for the local government, for the state, for the Nigeria, forget what we were, forget you. And the leaders are the leaders but you put away every day. But you have well. Therefore, a more than you I'm a one of the deal. But what about Nibo? But don't walk away since now you go for over 30 years. Kind of structure Nigeria to do with their presidents and collaborators all over the country. Or who is going to Nigeria since? I'm not going to IPO with that. IPO will be a product of the wicked refusal by DG Power Nigeria. It doesn't Nigeria long before now. Structure on the Apple aberration. Structure in Nigeria creation of 32-year-old Yakubu Gowon, who abolished the states on 26th May 1967 and created, who abolished the regions rather, and created states. They are for the sole purpose of denying Ojukwu the support of Rivers and Southeastern states. That was the only reason they get to have states. A can say that get to have, but only Igbo. Now I was the minority. Igbo majority. In the eye of man, Igbo the single largest ethnic group in Nigeria. I can afford something million. Single largest ethnic group in Nigeria. I can remember. Igbo the single largest ethnic group in Nigeria. In my minority. The Hausa, I can the Hausa. Even here, I was the Fulani. Femo attach. Hausa Fulani. Fulani Balumba. Hausa Bulibu. Faka Fulani Mana. I can Hausa. If I was only my Jukuru. The wrong team, even the Medugri. The Catholic, I cafa. The way, but Omuaka went to be big aqua. Omuaka did an exam, pass a cut off back for the higher. The world fraudulent census figures. We won't deny if we need it. Omuaka, if I don't put a work with Omuaka, then we will. Omuaka, we were the same leaders by the way. That's the Canada, they shouldn't. Nobody goes down, not qualified. I expected leadership of Ndibo to invite Omuaka. They never did. Afambo, Elliot, Ubuchubu, I'm at the center of the vortex. Onyesi, no Asikan Nasi, Apataboya. Onyesi never go to leadership of Ndibo, Omuaka, Onyama, they never did. Rather, finding a press, not Omuaki when I went. Are you following me? They never, Igbo leadership never invited Obuaka. Until Buhari Bulu Nani Muchie. Until Obuaka made demonstration in hundreds of thousands. Until Ababuaka tension, the government, the full of the masses, the sympathy with Obuaka. Igbo leaders, the full of they go unpopular, and the masses, the sympathy with Obuaka. And they married and they arrange. When the Igbo Nebaya, married and they arrange in very impossible bail conditions. We're to happen, we don't wear it, we don't do it. Now the Peter, Nayalaba, we don't rally. For where you were, one day I was here, would not. I believe the only time the Igbo meet the Bible facilitate more do not the German women to the only time. And what do you know Igbo leadership for Obuaka? So far they remember, or you're not going alone to make the interview, or I'm going to see Obuaka when they were another. Ghana boy, you got you. Who was no work and not treat them full of it. I don't know what he. Near the Baba, even the Bagay. But you man, everyone actually getting Adam's actually. No one governor of the house. By power. The Bible. Can you find out what you would have also? I would be found in Roger. Functioning the collaborators, functioning the Ejogolo new words against the people. So, conscious if I would have to fight, the man that fight with Obuaka, who got body day, even one of us. Are you following me? Oh, you be at your chawa. Now, project you. Got one of Obuaka now. So far, can even be wood. Igbo leaders never did. Never did. Never. And Obuaka, we were. Nobody knew they would become powerful. To the extent the person sit at home, he will need them for me. When do go up about the Lagos? Nobody knew now you do a stage where they now command the loyalty of over 90% of the masses. The real masses, they not to an election. But with IPO. Now problem elite. Elite had that to election. Father to vote. Elite had to vote like now. Voters can't vote. They never do. They don't vote. The real voters. But they are sit at home. They are church by the bullet will never don't obey. Still, they obey short or down, body name a chain, or name a chain. All those traders, the real masses. Upon the way they come up again, men are by baby or upon the better watch, they still obey. Upon the way you know, but I will never ignore, they still obey. Upon every the most specific still start successful. Why? The masses, the real voters, are Jehovah. Can you find the kind of man who are on the Atia is up to Dibo? No, you right there since the night Ebola University, Ibadan. July 29, 1966, Dibu died 53 years ago. I got to go to I got to come there. Now the guy who blew away teenagers of Dibu. And I want to do it. And I took what I go to you. Or not say all the right to buy a problem. Yes, if we can go to a woofer, a family, ever I go to a woofer. A woofer on it. Woofer on board. Woofer on wire. They woofer. The people for them wires. They buy that. Can you see from what I mean? On a if we work at the Boabasi, that is why we are the body sympathize with Obuaka. We forget. The body is the other Igbo leaders. Can you find the Golani? The world of buying them back. The world of industries ever. The world of Obuaka don't employ. Nothing. Now, bro, Ega wood. Tinted glass, Jeep, black window. If I find anything behind that, I want to lie. Wow. He locks a bruiser and they well. We say Abuja Bata. Can you do it or not take back with that? Apart from that, can you only dance on the Golani? Nothing. And what a blueprint in development. And what any? And where any I should know about it. And what a good rules. And what was on the man? You don't want to get up on your way back. New West is go Lord, no, there 6 years, but you only know about 2 hours. And what if ị ga-asị na ife people leaders anyị ife nọ ndị Igbo dero ụmụaka na-ewe iwe na-ekulite kama ị ga-akpọ ụmụaka awọpụ dem ịgba gbuo n'ụlọ metụta hotel unu akwa ịgba windo gba ọsọ na-agba ụmụaka nọ on their own and grew strong today to the extent that they don't listen to the leaders anymore. So Igbo leaders have a problem. The largest mass movement anywhere in the world were IPOB. And what any group anywhere in the universe, they got IPOB. IPOB is the you went to Tupac Amaru, so you went into FARC rebels in Colombia, into Filipino Islamic militia. So make it, and they have their own region, the Philippines. IPOB was mass movement. And what they can and the dangerous thing in them, find against leaders. And every leader they blame them. How do you blame them? Even if I'm there with also. You've not invited them. You reach out to them until they do it to a it doesn't work. Even if I sit at home, May 30th, 2017. I'm
going
to do where what would let that do with them? Put notice. The Bible was a very shake. Go on the shake. What's if I get one people? Fajaba without the Bible. I don't know the guy. Urunaja, all the men is at home that precipitated the quick notice. All the men. Now the guy, many other. Why didn't you at least inform him? Number one, I could have as usual. Ah, Jackally, trouble of one. I think we're going to go with one get pressure if one can ever. And let me tell you the greatest thing IPOB made in Nigeria. IPOB was the best thing that happened to Nigeria. I happen to know because of Ebeno. Afambo, Elliot, I keep repeating it. He joined us for 31 years, since 1987. I've been organizing conventions, seminars, conferences to restructure Nigeria. For 37 years. Even less than to restructuring. If I have Elliot, when you allow restructuring. Fair believe or not, the possible that you put away and do that, and I took that on the platform of restructuring. The man believe for 31 years in the way. You have a swimming, and you to go, when you allow restructuring. I quoted Igbo leaders, it's a one that you want to chase away, not what for what. Every Igbo leader that never attended has not attended my event, except when I want to result. And every year, we talk about a conference or restructuring. From AUJ presenter, Hotel Presidential, Legal Lake, every day for 31 years. Now Lagos, when they made that Piccadilly Hotel, let Army go Gaffer and let parents of people say, Mo, may God give you the grace to continue fighting. So as if I will be consciousness. Every day, I want to Elliot to go, when you are restructuring. Father, Gaffer, swim me.
And I need a Kuzakita.
For that 1 year, I'm going to be saved because the one of them is now brought by Alabama structure. Can it go to the possible? All the day, do you know that 1999, which is almost 20 years ago, it took the entire youth of the whole Eastern region, it became a youth movement. Oral youths. Ogoni, but so the current president of Nobody and I'm more Legosi, Piabara. But more of the ability that more we are doing with do they get message or do they get bojo? And 1999 I bought the whole family. They join you to come there. The hotel presidential may apologize to people. 1999, our team, National Conference to Restructure Nigeria, the whole Eastern region agreed to work together. 1999 or 20 years ago, I invited Ojukwu to accept the apology. The video day. Even in it. Ojukwu will go there and told him, Ojukwu say, oh Lord, may thy servant return to thee now, for my eyes have seen thy salvation. On your record. Ojukwu was so excited. That day, since you all chaired the event, Ojukwu, in the right table, Agono has received, at that time refused to go where. I don't know what to do. Nobody can see there. After the event, who did you marry? Where's the can see there? I got 20,000. Can was do what I say? I sold my 2 cars and then baby. My then would is back in the mechanic. Now Ezekiel Street in Kenya, LA 35,000. But don't go 110,000. Now let me talk about in 1991. My Honda Prelude got the one come on any delay. It's a mistake. LA they're going to be Messiah to come against if I drop get us Polika with the job, get us December 1999 hotel presidential World Igbo Convention. He joined people, he joined youth, he joined whoever association, came to Joel Bisina Okadendo. Manager say, Okadendo. But about the fact that they came to apologize to Nibo, even the family of Nibo during the war. The father said, "Go, boy, let's work together." Almost million and restructured Nigeria 20 years ago. Now, hotel presidential. That we had restructured 20 years ago. They are now the data. Now, I'm not going to get Jacob man. No one will be Jacob and now hotel but the Dubai. Well, look at them for 31 years to restructure Nigeria. 87. Now, what are they? One journalist, Bureau chief, now, the president. I said, well, okay, you're dropping every time. Restructuring guy, Charlie for some work. See, I'm not so saying to him. He is wasn't there. He refused to publish my story. Now, since I'm for over 25 years, the same thing restructuring, much I for some work. That restructuring guy, I did back where, 20 years ago, I met my friend IPOB today. That's why I don't blame them. Because I was close to you. And he told me, that now, where you were actually Igbo, the wartime, they wouldn't do the person, children Igbo, the wartime. Now, even in the wartime, the Igbo, the Igbo, why? They have a special group, and then the Igbo, the Igbo, the Igbo, it's not for our leaders to see no informal and embrace them, bring them, work with them. Now also until if I was a that is why I don't blame IPOB. Now let me tell you why this is an IPOB will be the best thing that happened to Nigeria. All IPOB, well, Mandu, the Kumaka structure. Choosing J now we're on for election. All IPOB. Operation IPOB, no one in the Dutch was this is not what Nigeria. Restructure, restructure. Crisis in Nigeria will envelop the entire West Africa zone. Destroy economies. The refugee problem will cripple West Africa. Any major crisis in Nigeria will destroy West Africa. Upset London Stock Exchange. The price of cocoa will change. The price of oil, with everything, it will escalate. It will turn. Okay, well, even though about ripple effect on the economy or global economy, crisis in Nigeria. Restructure now. How far I came in there. Secretly. John Kennedy, restructure, crisis again, we don't have content where. When you are actually say they have my dossier. I have to go here. I have to go here. So, my conclusion I believe the best thing that happened to Nigeria. For what Joe to go up on the tears your pressure. What is it? But I say like a restructure Nigeria. I can't never come and go to go on your restructuring. Not my classmates. Or never the first again. Every year, restructuring. And what if I'm going to go to every year, every year. Every year, restructuring. And I come and you're to go. When you are restructuring, I can't go. When you are.
Oh, you see, kind of picture. He also, I got J. Nobudo. They is Komaka in this year. Emana Ndogo Nasina.
Yes, because the also hammer. It was still the war for that situation. And if I am now, in the leaders are for the food of themselves. For the Canero, Emperor of Rome. They believe that war for them and nothing better.
ihe ha ji ekwu ya maka na ọ bụrụ na ha apụta Nnamdi Kanu nsogbu ga-adịkwa maka na ha ekwuo na
can you give prophecy? I prophesy that in a few weeks you guys will look down in the radio again. I prophesy that in a few weeks you guys will look down in the radio again.
Amen.
I prophesy that. Amen. Now, mana ndi otisi ani aka hotara evidence in the aka hotara.
Ndi
Fadi too much cash. Fado de ego. Fa hotara vi na ko. Fa na the masses need behind this young man. If I ekwe fe bogo free for all the people exempt. Bogo free. The truth of the matter, our leaders disappointed the masses. They should go back and make amend and make peace with IPOB. Oye major effect, oye may believe they shouldn't have all now everybody go back and walk. Here's 24 seconds. I the sympathy was saying now is higher than before. Everyone the end of a huge sympathy. Let me tell you, it was already. I went to IPOB members. They are in their millions. Almost 20% of the population of Igbo. As you know, I'm an Indian. Once they are ambivalent, they are about 70% of the body. Not a war. Against IPOB. IPOB members. Therefore, they were sympathy for IPOB now. And was it the remaining 10-15% of people like didn't leave now for IPOB now and maybe fever. Tolo can I go to Agabaka one time on the government. The law for man, or Johnny to know anything about the studios in Nigeria. Also, it was about on a Batani who will convoy GP. And then wow, but that, oh, yes, on about Opunita, and I was in the country. They talk about it. What they are like IPOB. Father for that, there's a threat. Just for the minority. So, members of IPOB, they think the huge over 70%, the ambivalent, the minority of 10%, the Northman, are like IPOB. And also that 75% of the ambivalent, not the center. Now, what they have with a sympathy for IPOB. Not because the members of IPOB, but because of it was a good worker. It was a good worker. I'm a Joe Woffer. What if this young man? He doesn't raid the police station. He doesn't attack military controllers. They are not armed. They don't kill people. They don't attack. They won't raid us in the IPOB, but I will go tell people. What made you wrong? The Fulani police, that matter, born under the whole village. I don't think they have. Who can modify the other persecution? And they move all that persecution, and they don't work. They have a sympathy. All the fact that they have they gave away 1 year, they have a sympathy. There was a huge sympathy. Come back. Oh, no, but election. IPOB call off. Sit at home. Everywhere was paralyzed. And the body got to the government. So all the leaders say, all the get your home worker, you have because on our boycott. Fasten us for Team Nike, get the number. Nichi and Ibutata, IPOB. Nichi Nigeria election, Ogesiga, IPOB. Fabon counter election, Ogalon there. Open the last of boycott, Ogalon there, or IPOB. We like the foul, we like the foul, the Bonifacio. If I'm more than that, but Nichi Nigeria, IPOB.
Chineke gọzie ndị Igbo ebe ọbụla anyị nọ abụ anyị na Evangelist Elliot Ugochukwu nke chọpụtara Igbo Youth Movement gbara ụgbọ ọ ga-adịrịrị ma Chineke gọzie